Meaning of etymon.
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 Etymon. The term etymon is derived from the Greek word etymon, which means the true source or fundamental concept of a word. It refers to the root or origin of a word and its history of development and evolution. The study of etymology involves tracing the linguistic roots and changes in meaning of words throughout history. Understanding the etymology of words can provide valuable insights into their meanings and usage. Etymology plays an important role in various fields, such as linguistics, philology, lexicography, and literature.